IT band and TFL stretch. This is a good approach for those who are having any knee issues and are trying to relieve some strain off your body. Let's see if we can approach this just in the right way. As you lean forward from the hip, try to see if you can just keep yourself in a position where you can come down as far as you can, very, very slowly from the hip, and just hold the stretch here for a few seconds. Try to get your arms to come down as close to the floor as possible, and switch legs as you hold the stretch. Make sure you hold it for a few seconds here before you switch over. Now straighten your back at the same time as you come forward, and make sure when you put one leg over the other, you want to make sure you bring your chest towards the ground so you're not rounding your back. So let your chest lean forward with your hip as well. And also watch your toes. Make sure your toes are also lining up as well as the heels. But place your hand on the quads if you want to get started, and then you can roll over down towards your calf or your shins. But just look at what's going on as you look to the floor. Just look at how your toes are set up, and just look at the heels, like I said before. And naturally, what will happen as you get closer and closer to the ground, you'll be able to hold that stretch and feel a deeper stretch actually from the side, mainly from the side of your leg. You'll feel a little bit your hamstrings, but then you'll also feel a little pull on the side of your leg, and that's what we're talking about when we talk about the IT band and the TFL. That is actually attached to your knee. That stretch is a band attached to your knee that leads all the way up around the hip area, and that's actually relieving strain off the knee. Now, here's another stretch. Use the yoga block, or you could use some sort of pillow or something on the ground to place your head on, and then bring your leg over one side and let your bottom leg shift over to that direction. So in this case, I have my legs moving over to the side gradually and holding the position. Make sure your hands are nice and flat, and hold the position as you go along. So when you do hold that position, you notice that your leg will come over, but try not to fall. Try to keep your leg up as best as you can, and then you do the other side. Remember, like I said, hands facing flat, your back is nice and flat on the ground, and just stay relaxed. And then as you lean, you hold for a few seconds, give yourself a chance to feel the stretch, and then switch over.